Hello everybody! Today we'll do middle split and how to stretch your legs for this position. I will show you now some elements which help you to do that. So stay with me and we will get started. So first exercise which we're starting to do, we'll get in this position, take two legs together and working back. 2, 3. Okay, good work. After that we're working with two legs. Take it on ourselves and take together. So 3, 4 and 5. Good work. And change. Take it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we'll get back in this position and working with two legs. So slowly take it up and slowly open and close. 2, close, 3, 4 and 5, starting to pushing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take stretch more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and slowly go down. Take breathe. Slowly breathe out and lie down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I will hope that you like it, subscribe me and take me like. So bye bye.